Hey guys, and welcome back to Daily Dev channel. Today's video about Django ORM, get and filter functions that you would use when you're trying to fetch data from the database. So really the main difference between the two is that the get will be used to fetch a specific record and filter will be looking for multiple records. Now the prerequisite for this video is you must have Django framework up and running. So just let's follow along with this video. I'll be performing queries on the Django user model. You should have it already built into Django. So the first thing I would do is just get into the shell of Django. If you are running Docker, then use the following command, exec Django, and depends on your container name here. And then python manage.py shell. And if you're not using Django, you could start your command from python manage.py shell, and you must be inside the folder where Django is installed. Okay, now we're inside Django shell. The first thing to do is grab the user model, contrib auth models, import user. Now the first scenario is going to be user.objects.get where primary key equal 1, which we should expect their root object, and there you go, it's one item and it did find it. Now with get, if it doesn't find the object you're looking for, it's going to throw an error. As you can see here, user matching query does not exist. Where filter wouldn't do that, will behave differently. Filter would return a list instead of throwing an error. If it's find the record you're looking for, it's going to return it. If there are multiple matches, it's going to return all of them. And if there are no matching, it's going to return empty list. Watch this. Where primary key equal 1. There you go. It's did found it, but the return or the response is a query set. There is a list of objects, even though there is only one matches. And if it doesn't find the objects you're looking for, it's going to return empty list instead of throwing an error, which is very useful. Now, another use for filter is to find multiple records. For instance, if I want to search for all users that start with an S, we'll say username starts with equal S. There you go. Did find all the records that starts with an S. So that's another advantage of using the filter over get. And the main use for get is really to find a specific record that you're looking for, and that's it. You don't want a list, you don't want multiple matches. So there is a use for each one, and depends on the program you're writing, use the most suitable one. So to this point, this video has ended. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.